In a bid to uphold the rich heritage of Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship in Riboy district, the revered traditional ritual known as Shad Sajer is set to grace the picturesque setting of Wortoh Peak, nestled in between the jurisdiction of Raj Nongpo. Scheduled for the March 23, 2024, this edition of Shad Sajer will witness the participant of esteemed Shad Sajer from 6 Rajs. Addressing the press, the traditional chief of Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship, Pillar Stones Aim Nongshai, articulate that the primary objective behind organizing Shad Sajer is to safeguard the identity and cultural heritage.
Ila ilum lang hakane kasi hakane kajaka na kamanta kawai pajingtu pajumi kata kalong sebab ne insa yakane kariti kedustur hapo kane kalaka kabe kajumi te kunta hakane kasi ila chim yakane karai na kamanta man pelong yakane kasyat secer kajumi haka arkulai tarik ibnai mach arhajar pesau.
And now the weather report.